Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will guide you about the Spline area chart. In my previous video tutorials, I have already explained you about the area chart. Now, this is the front end and go to the toolbox and search for the chart. Drag it over your Windows form, adjust its dimensions. Now, search for series here and click here to open its Windows form. Now change the name of the series into S1 and the type into Spline area chart. Now you can observe that how it's moving and the edges are not sharp like area. Change the name into S2 and change it to Spline area. Okay, now go to the backend and first we will add the title of the chart. So chart.titles.add and in parentheses enclosed in double quotation write the name of chart, which is Spline area chart. Okay, now we will add the series as chart1 dot series double quotation S1 dot add dot points dot add xy. X is the first parameter and y is the second parameter, so it's d1 as d1 and the value as 0. Okay, for series 1. Now replicate the code for the day 2. In day 2 it slightly goes upward to 20, and for day 3 it's going to downward, it's downward not 100, and on day 4 it goes to the peak 50, and then on day 5 it's back to 0. Now execute and you can observe how it's going to upward, then downward, then on peak, and then close. Now we will replicate the code and rename S1 to S2. Okay, now we will make sure that the value of S2 is less than on each day compared to S1, so that we can visualize that S1 is on the top and S2 on the bottom. So I am slightly changing the values into less 40, and it's okay. Now execute the code and here you can observe the value of S2 like this. Now simply I will add another series in the chart by click on the series. I will add another, it's S3, change its shape into Spline area. Now just replicate the code and change the values into 10, 3, 30. Okay, and execute. So you can something. Okay, so it's S3. Now execute. So you can observe we have 3 layers working like this. You can show demography in your desktop application by using the Spline chart in your point of sale application, any kind of reservation system. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more amazing video tutorials on C# desktop application charting. Take care, bye bye.